Whenever I get stuck or have a problem with something, I could always reach out to my mentors. Thank you for your support and guidance.
Thank you for listening, for your guidance, for encouragement, for inspiration, for being there, and most importantly for being a mentor to me. Being under your supervision has been a great experience. Thank you for your mentorship.
I would like to say thanks to my mentor. He's always listening to my troubles and trying his best to help me out. You are an outstanding leader, sir. Thank you so much for always motivating me and guiding me.
I am so lucky to get to work with mentors who inspires me every day. Thank you for your guidance and leadership.
My mentor inspires me to work hard and dream big, and I would like to thank my mentor for being so amazing.
My mentors are very nice. Their consistent guidance, support, and dedication towards us is appreciable.
My mentor showed me how to balance my hobbies and studies with job.
I gain lots of work experience and knowledge from my Dotsquares team. My Dotsquares team has guided me to what I love to do and what I am good at, and opened the door to pursue that passion.
Joining Dotsquares is like I found destination of my dreams.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipesh Indora. Environment, surrounding and other things as well excites me most about Dotsquares.
Joining a Dotsquare is the best way to kickstart my career.
Joining Dotsquare is a great experience. Everyone here is very friendly.
Life at a Dotsquare is really amazing and I am able to learn a lot of new stuff.
In Dotsquare, amazing work culture and wonderful workplace, and people really feel proud to be working here.
We are Dotsquares.
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 Dotsquares. Dotsquares.
Dotsquares.
Dotsquares.
Dotsquares.
Dotsquares.